take care of a baby rabbit egg. Here it is. Well, not actually take care, but like incubate it. Keep it warm. Keep it warm. Incubate it. Well, what we use is a box. Put a lid on top of it. No. What we do, we use the box. We set the lid like that. And we set a heating pad on top of it. Like so. And the egg goes inside. But we put a blanket. Right now we can't find a certain blanket. You guys might think this isn't real, but it is. It survived. It was the only one who survived. All the other eggs were freezing. No, because they broke. Yeah, because they broke. Sorry. I forgot for a second. Because we did that like a few days ago. Because our little cousin, he broke all of them. But here's the point. If it's starting to hatch and it's still in there, here's what you need to do. You need to go take a cup, go dig for worms, smash the worms up, and then feed them to the baby bird. If you only have one, and that's how to take care of a lot of them. You need more than one. I still need to take care of a lot of them. So that's how to take care of a baby bird egg. Here's it one last time. Thank you for enjoying this. Bye. Bye.